Question number 1. The propeller shaft has one or more. Option A, spur gear. Option B, elbow joints. Option C, universal joints. The answer is option C, universal joints. Question number 2. In the split joint, slippage occur between internally and externally mated. Option A, couplings. Option B, joints. Option C, splines. The answer is option C, splines. Question number 3. In the differential, to correct the heavy heel contact on the drive gear teeth, it is necessary to move the option A, drive pinion in. Option B, drive gear towards pinion. Option C, drive gear away from pinion and adjusted backlash. The answer is option A, drive pinion in. Question number 4. In the differential, to correct the heavy toe contact on the drive gear teeth, it is necessary to move the option A, drive gear towards pinion. Option B, drive pinion gear away from pinion. Option C, drive pinion out and adjust the backlash. The answer is option C, drive pinion out and adjust backlash. Question number 5. The drive gear in the differential is adjusted by use of option A, selective washer of proper thickness. Option B, adjustment nuts. Option C, adjustment screws. The answer is option A, selective washer of proper thickness. Question number 6. The type of rear axle in which the wheel end is supported by bearing inside the axle housing is option A, semi-floating axle. Option B, 3/4 floating axle. Option C, full floating axle. The answer is option A, semi-floating axle. Question number 7. The two basic type of axle are option A, dead and floating. Option B, dead and live. Option C, floating and semi-floating. The answer is option B, dead and live. Question number 8. In the Hotchkiss drive, The rear end torque is observed by the option A, torque tube, option B, rear springs, option C, radius rod. The answer is option B, rear springs. Question number 9. The universe joint permits a change in the option A, length of the shaft, option B, speed of rotation, option C, angle of drive. The answer is option C, angle of drive. Question number 10. To correct heavy heel contact on the ring gear teeth, move the option A, drive pinion in, option B, ring gear towards pinion, option C, ring gear away from pinion, and adjust backlash. The answer is option A, drive pinion in. Question number 11. Propeller shaft includes option A, universal joint, option B, knee joint, option C, slip joint. The answer is option A, universal joint. Question number 12. A humming noise in the differential is often caused by propeller tooth contact between the option A, tripinion and ring gear, option B, axle and side gear, option C, pinion and side gears. The answer is option A, drive pinion and ring gear. Thirteenth question. Axle shaft of the 3/4 floating axle is subjected to option A, bending stress only, option B, torsional stress only, option C, bending and torsional stress. The answer is option B, torsional stress only. Fourteenth question. The axle shaft of a semi-floating rear axle is subjected to option A, axle thrust only, option B, axle thrust and bending stress, option C, bending, torsional stress and end thrust. The answer is option C, bending, torsional stress and end thrust. Question number 15. Which of the following layout is not used in motor vehicles? Option A, front engine, front drive. Option B, front engine rear drive. Option C, rear engine front drive. The answer is option C, rear engine front drive. Question number 16. The most popular drive at the drive axle for the passenger car is option A, straight bevel gear. Option B, spiral bevel gear. Option C, hyperdrive. The answer is option C, hyperdrive. Question number 17. In the differential, the ring gear is attached to the option A, bevel gear. Option B, drive gear. Option C, differential case. The answer is option C, differential case. Question number 18. Knowing the speed at which the engine is running and the torque is developing, we can calculate option A, FHP. Option B, IHP. Option C, BHP. The answer is option A, FHP. Question number 19. Two-stroke engine is preferred for small vehicles because option A, fuel consumption is low. Option B, shock and vibration are less. Option C, its size is small. The answer is option C, its size is small. Question number 20. A negative loop in the PV diagram of an IC engine is due to option A, pre-ignition in the engine. Option B, suction of air for engine. Option C, pre-opening of the exhaust valve. The answer is option B, suction of air for engine.